Breaking news from Florida tonight. The first hurricane-force wind gust was recorded in the Keys a short time ago as Hurricane Irma gets closer to Florida. This is a live look at the Fort Myers area. Hurricane Irma should make landfall in Florida tomorrow. Right now, that storm is a Category 3 with winds of 125 miles per hour. Sarah Dalla joins us tonight from Tampa.
As Hurricane Irma lashes Cuba, the window is quickly closing for preparations and evacuations in Florida.
They told us the place wasn't safe enough for the incoming storm.
A projected new track puts Tampa, not Miami, directly in the storm's path, prompting a pivot in emergency planning.
I've never been through anything like this before.
Irma is first expected to hit the Florida Keys Sunday morning, but already the area is seeing the effects. Life-threatening storm surges as high as 15 feet are forecast in areas along the state's west coast. And nearly 7 million people, a third of the state's population, are under evacuation orders.
Just remember this, once the storm starts, law enforcement cannot save you.
Bumper-to-bumper traffic seen across the state as frightened residents attempted to heed that warning.
Nobody's giving any information. We need to get the word out. Hey, you guys are going to come in. We need to know.
Gas stations already running out of fuel and businesses boarded up in anticipation of a hurricane with catastrophic potential. In Tampa, Sarah Dalla, NBC News.
Sarasota is on the Gulf Coast of Florida and is expected to feel the wrath of Hurricane Irma tomorrow. Jay Barnett moved from Center Grove to Sarasota. He's got a boat and a home next to this canal. Jay told me earlier this evening he plans to ride out this hurricane when it hits tomorrow.
As long as the storm surge stays below 12 feet, we'll be okay.
Are you worried about damage to your property, both your boat and your home?
The wind, I mean, if the wind comes in at 150 miles an hour, that's obviously a pretty big concern. We're in a two-story cinder block house, but, 150 mile an hour winds could take a roof off of just about anything, I think.
Jay went on to tell me his house has windows that can withstand 150 mile per hour winds, saying he lives near the interstate and he could evacuate quickly if that storm is worse than predicted.